Ngayon na mas sikat ka na dahil meron ka ng ibang pinagkakakitaan, you suddenly grew a conscience? Or ayaw mo lang na merong possibly na sumikat at agawan ka ng trabaho? Hi guys, welcome back. We're on our way to LTO in Quezon City to hopefully pick up the plates of the Ducati. After 11 years! 11 years! The Ducati is a 2014 model that was purchased way back in 2014. Every few months, I would message the dealer, nandiyan na po ba yung plaka ko? Nandiyan na po. Wala pa rin. And then, just a few, last month yata, yung friend ko, nag-enter ng, nag-post siya about the LTO tracker. Yung website ni LTO that's showing if the plates are available. So, tinype ko una, not available. Then sabi ko, wala pa rin talaga. And then, I just tried, imbis na ilagay ko yung MV file number lang, I need to put yung dash din, 1301 dash. Oh, bigla na lang. Your plate is available already. Laking gulat ko. So, I'm now preparing all my documents, the photocopy of my OR and CR, and now I'm proceeding there. Hopefully, nandyan na yung plaka ko. Ay, nako. Ano ko, ba't ako na-excited? Pero, yun nga yung tanong ko eh. Hindi ba mas okay na lang yung MV file number ang nakalagay sa plaka ko? Kasi nga sa NCAP. Because of NCAP, pag naalagay yung MV file number, sa dami ng number, mas hindi nakikita ngayon kung ano yung plaka ko. If I now have the regular plates, mas mahuhuli na ako. Ay, nako. Pero, I'm happy with how NCAP, or I'm happy that there is NCAP. Definitely. Yun yung tipong I'm happy na meron. Pero ang problem kasi natin, we have a lot of rules that needs to be changed. That will be more favorable naman to everyone. Itong sabihin mo tulad ngayon, itong nangyayari, NCAP. So ngayon, yung mga riders mas napipilitan to stay right in the middle of the lane imbis na yung dati, sige, gamitin natin tong bike lane. Ito, sumingit tayo in between two lanes. Now, these are rules that should have been modified already. The Philippines' number one mode of transportation in terms of number on the road and registered vehicle is motorcycles. Motorcycles, like the last vlog I said, is the lifeline of this economy. But we have so much old rules, tulad itong mga lane filtering, lane splitting, na until now, we cannot make it work. Ngayon, mas gusto nila, kainin namin itong smasho ng isang kotse. Pero yung mga kotse, palakpak din. Pinapalakpakan mo na mas nasa likod ka ng traffic, imbis na mas nasa harap ka. Just because ayaw mo na may motor na nakalamang sa'yo. This is really showing how majority of the Filipinos have what we call yung crab mentality. Ayaw nila nang may umaangat sa kanila. Imbis na maging masaya ka na may umaangat na Pilipino, hihilain mo pababa kasi hindi pwedeng ikaw lang. This is one of the really worst trait of a Filipino, the crab mentality. Recently lang nga yung alam mo yung mga grupo ng mga Marinake photographers. Dati may mga isipin mo medyo matagal na tong mga nagpipicture sa Marinake. We're talking about hindi pa ganung karaming nagpupunta, hindi pa ganung karaming mga photographers na tumatambay sa Marilake. Meron ng mga Marilake photographers doon. And the good thing about them being there during the onset ng kasikatan ng Marilake, sila rin sumikat. As in, sumikat. I've seen them being hired as official photographers of bigger bigger motorcycle events. So nagkaroon sila ng magandang karir. So imbis na remember mo kahit na sila dati kung may mga kamote, kasi remember mo yung mga photos ng mga kamote, photos ng mga aksidente, videos ng mga kamote, videos ng mga aksidente. That's how you get a lot of views. Yan din yung para sumikat ka. It can be argued na, oo, pangit, pero it's not illegal. Remember, you are showing something that was captured in public. So walang privacy yan. Hindi mo naman sinabing kamote siya. You just presented something you watched. No? So it's not something na anti or cyberbullying, ganyan. Wala. As long as you just present it as is, you are actually showing na, iwas kayo, tingnan nyo, may ganito aksidente na nangyari. So that's more of like a public service. So you cannot be sued for defamation, for the Data Privacy Act. Remember, everything happened in a public place. No? As photographers, napag-aralan namin to, pag nasa labas ka in public, I am not expecting anything, any privacy, meaning, kaya nga sa dami ng CCTV dito, paano mo sabihin na hindi ka pwede makuna? Now, when I'm in my private establishment, nasa loob ako ng bahay ko, yun, bawal mo kukunan. Pero paglabas ko sa public, I am free for anyone to take photos of. Magnanakaw to o ganyan. Then that's defamatory. Pero kung sasabihin mo lang, pinakita mo lang picture, ganda ng bike niya or gano'n. There's nothing bad about it. Now, so going back yung mga sumikat na mga vloggers. Right now, what they're doing is they're condemning itong mga bagong pasikat pa lang ng mga photographer, videographer na nasa Marilake. Kasi daw, they're posting ng mga aksidente, mga gano'n na hindi dapat. Pero ganun ka sumikat. Ngayon na mas sikat ka na dahil meron ka ng ibang pinagkakakitaan, you suddenly grew a conscience? Or ayaw mo lang na merong possibly na sumikat at agawan ka ng trabaho? And this is not just yung Marilake. I've seen mga big moto vloggers they started out as doing all these crazy stunts on the road. Pinagyayabang pa kung gaano kabilis yung motor nila. Tapos ngayon sasabihin nila, pag nag-overspeed ka, huwag mo na maipakita. Delikado yan. Did they really grow a conscience? Or are they just trying to make sure that the others don't get to the level that they are at? Yan yung typical na crab mentality talaga ng Pilipino. Nakakainis! Bakit hindi pwede masaya tayo when someone else is actually succeeding? Kung meron man nahihirapan, tulungan natin. Tayo, iba eh. Pag merong umaangat, kailangan nyo pababa. Hindi pwede siya umangat eh. Diba sobrang talaga, the crab mentality ng Filipinos is so annoying. This is the same way how it's working now in other countries sa mga yung mga sabihin mo yung mga immigrants of other countries na nag-umpisa sila TNT, tapos ngayon citizen na sila, but suddenly they are those who are, sila pa yung magsusumbong na merong illegal na Pilipino, sila rin yung magsasabi na I am for stricter immigration. Bakit? Kasi nandoon ka na, dahil immigrant ka, dahil citizen ka na, so pwede na sila mag-strict. Pero wag mo kakalimutan, nag-TNT ka rin. Ay nako, Pinoy, that's Pinoy for you. Kaya minsan ang hirap talaga dito sa mahalin ng Pilipinas, not just because of the Philippines, but because of the Filipinos who live here. Ay nako, sana na lang matuto tayo that let's be happy for everyone. If kailangan ng tulong, itulak mo pataas, hindi mo hilahin pababa. Okay guys, we'll make another video by the time makuha natin yung plaka natin. Okay, bye!